What you saw was not a concept video. It's not a prototype. It wasn't created with AI. It's Array running in a real warehouse today. My name is Rick Falk. I'm the CEO of Locus Robotics, and I want to take you back 10 years to the very beginning to really explain why Array exists. We started as a 3PL. We ran distribution centers, and I'll tell you, it was a real classroom to understand how to build a successful robotics business. Every day, we ran into three problems. Demand uncertainty. Clients' forecasts were never right. They were high, they were low, they were never accurate. Secondly, SKU and order profiles changed constantly. And labor uncertainty was the biggest problem we dealt with every single day. And managing for peak, well, that was a whole nother problem. The common thread through all that was uncertainty. We knew automation was the only answer. We went out looking for a solution, and we were surprised. The solutions we found were built for stable, predictable volumes, workflows that don't change, long planning horizons measured in years. And it took very big checks to actually buy one of those solutions, multi-million-dollar checks. And the payback on that was measured in 5 to 7, even 10 years. And I'll tell you, that's not the warehouse we were running. We knew there was a better way, and we wanted to go build it. There are 4 things we said that must be true. First of all, we had to deploy in weeks, not quarters or years. Secondly, we had to take a major bite out of the labor problem, at least 50%. The cost up front to actually deploy that solution had to be minimal. And fourth, the cost per pick had to be the lowest of any solution in the industry. So fast forward 10 years. Locus is the largest AMR provider in the world. We have 350 sites, 17,000 robots in 20 countries, and we just crossed our 7 billionth pick. And as I'm talking here, we are probably doing at least 150 units a second right now in our network. But I'll tell you something. There was something in the back of our minds that we always wanted to do, a fifth element, if you will, to that strategy. And that was fully autonomous workflows. Some people would call it the Holy Grail. Others would call it lights out automation. We call it physical AI. So what is physical AI? Can I call my temp agency and ask them to send down some physical AI? Well, don't make that phone call, but it's technology that allows a robot to perceive, sense through vision, depth, and spatial awareness. Robots that can reason. AI models trained on billions of picks. Robots that can act, pick, move, manipulate goods, act as a human workforce, if you will. We call this robots to goods, R2G for short. It's where warehouse automation goes next. The last 3 years, the team has been working on what we wanted to do from the very beginning, 10 years ago, build something like Array. Array takes the 4 pillars of that vision that we defined 10 years ago, deploy in weeks, maximum labor efficiency, lowest cost to deploy, lowest cost per pick, and adds a fifth element to it, fully autonomous workflows. And robots to goods, R2G from Locus, it is here today. People ask me all the time why Locus has been so successful. And I say it's really simple. It's 2 things. First, we understand the customer problem. We have that operational expertise. It is in our DNA. It's not in a lab, it's in a real warehouse. Secondly, is our people. We have the smartest, hardest working people in the industry. We put the customer first in every decision we make. And I just want to say thank you to the 500 employees at Locus who have built the company over the last 10 years. So we have been working on this moment for the last 10 years. And I couldn't be more excited or proud to share what the team has created for you.
Autonomous fulfillment isn't about robots. It's about outcomes. With Locus Array, operators achieve up to 90% labor reduction, 2 times storage density, and up to 40% lower cost per pick, deployed in weeks in new or existing facilities. Delivered through a robots as a service model, Array provides the lowest upfront cost, immediate savings, and the fastest path to value in advanced automation. This is not fixed automation, no bolted down infrastructure, no long construction timelines.
At the center of Array is Locus One, the AI-driven orchestration platform behind over 7 billion picks globally. Before anything moves, Locus One analyzes orders, inventory, and real-time demand, continuously optimizing how work is done. That intelligence is what drives the economics.
Array delivers a fundamentally new category, robots to goods, and it's commercially deployed today, delivering real results in live operations. Instead of moving inventory across the warehouse, robots go directly to the work, operating in the aisle, where fulfillment actually happens. Array is designed for up to 10-foot high storage, retrieving totes from multiple heights to double storage density without expensive fixed infrastructure. Powered by proprietary AI perception and manipulation, Array can accurately pick apparel, beauty, healthcare, and more. Items are picked and consolidated in parallel, right in the aisle. The result? Faster cycle times, fewer touches, and a materially lower cost per pick.
A key differentiator is in-aisle consolidation. Complete orders are built where the work happens, not fragmented across stations or zones. Orders are completed in minutes and ready to move immediately.
Array enables near-continuous operation. It can work through the night, so the first wave of orders is already complete when teams arrive.
As operations continue, the system manages itself. Inventory is replenished automatically. Placement is continuously optimized. That autonomy unlocks advanced capabilities over time, without stopping operations.
Once orders are complete, Array drops off finished orders that can be quickly packed and shipped. This is the first time a human ever touches the order. And with pick to carton, even that step is reduced to closing the lid.
For anything Array doesn't handle, work is seamlessly passed to other robots in the Locus fleet, all orchestrated by Locus One. One platform, one fleet, full SKU coverage.
This is Locus Array, a fully autonomous fulfillment system.
We're very excited about the Array product. To have a fully autonomous end-to-end fulfillment solution is a game changer in the industry. This is yet another innovation from Locus Robotics that we can work together to improve as we learn and implement. But more importantly, we are very pleased with the innovation and introduction of Array at DHL Supply Chain. I look forward to continuing the partnership and innovating across the industry together.
This is Locus Array, a fully autonomous fulfillment system proven in real-world operations. 90% labor reduction, 2 times storage density, 40% lower cost per pick. Autonomous fulfillment delivered.